Today we're going to be using the Farmasi Dr. C Tuna Tea Tree Soap Bar to clean our makeup brushes, and you're going to see how easy it is to clean your brushes and how quick it removes the product. I'm also using this scrubbing brush pad to clean off the brushes, like all the product, and just scrub back and forth. So what you want to do first is wet the bristles from the brush. You're going to swirl it in the soap like so, and then scrub along and just get all that product off. Rinse it off, and you might want to do a second run through and just swirl it again and scrub off the extra product. Make sure that no product is left on the brush. Rinse it off, get the water off, squeeze it off, and set it to dry. And you can see how easy all this is and how clean the brushes come out. You probably didn't think that these brushes were white. So for this next brush, it's a brush that I use for foundation. It's very dense, so it holds a lot of product. And you can see that, look at all that makeup coming off. Just instantly comes off. And for these next two, you can go ahead and do this 2 to 3 times, the same process, scrubbing, cleaning, and really work it in, like the product in with your fingers. And once you clean it out, look how white and clean that looks. Especially with this next brush coming up, the kabuki brush, it absorbs tons of product. It is very dense, so work your fingers inside, like the product, the soap, and really work it in there so that you can get extra clean brush. And so I did this a few times because it is really dense, and there you go. I definitely recommend this product. It is so easy to use, very affordable. It is only $5.90, and look how fast and easy that was. And now you have super clean brushes that are nice and ready for your face, and it is a clean product.